let's start by opening the glove box. The next thing you would see is right along this side right here, there's going to be a piston. Mine's missing, but all you would do is just take it off of this little nub right here and then let it go up. Then you can squeeze your glove box a little bit, lower this down. If you wanted to, you can continue by removing it, but you don't necessarily need to. Go ahead and pull on these tabs. Hopefully. There's our cabin air filter. All right, so if your cabin air filter looks like this and the cabin box looks like that, you're definitely going to want to pop that blower motor out of there and make sure you clean it out completely. Now, if you look at your cabin air filter, it's going to tell you the direction it needs to go. Follow the instructions. It goes in this direction, in this side facing up, and then slide it in. All the way in. Latch it in, close this, and then make sure you put back on your little piston on the side here. Refill your glove box with whatever was in it, and close it.